What's up, Doodle Clubbers? This is Harry the Emo Wolf again, and today we're gonna do an Emo Wolf doodle tutorial. Ooh! Wow! Let's get started. Well, here's my profile on Doodle Club. Now, let's go find the tutorial. It was made by Mini Doodle Club Helper. Hey! Ooh! Can I get a howl and props for Mini Doodle Club Helper for making this tutorial? Ooh! Okay, now we go to projects. Yay! And then we go to how to draw an emo chibi wolf tutorial. Ooh! How do you like my howl? I practiced it for this tutorial. Oh! First, we draw a little circle. Awesome. Then, we draw the details of the face. We sketch it out. Oh! And then, we color it in. Now, we have a cute emo wolf. So cute. I would almost date this emo wolf, but dating is not allowed in Doodle Club. Ooh. Well, that's it for this tutorial. If you come up with a tutorial you want me to cover, post it in the comments below. That's it for now. This is Harry the Emo Wolf checking out. Ooh.